Hi and welcome to another video. In the last two videos, we were talking about different ways to earn passive income from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and that are staking and savings. If you haven't watched the videos, you can find them on our channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about a little different way of earning passive income, and that is using strategy trading, or in other words, including robots or bots to trade instead of you. Stay tuned. What is actually strategy trading? Strategy trading or trading bots are actually robots that are trading instead of you. They have predefined use based on technical analysis to buy and sell cryptocurrency instead of you. If you go to trade strategy trading on Binance or it's similar on the other platform, the new window will appear. Here you will have two options: to create your own strategy or to use strategy pool. That means that you can use other people's strategies that they already created. No matter if you choose to create your own strategy or to use strategy pool, you are going to have two options. First one is spot grid and second one is futures grid. The difference is that with the futures grid you can short cryptocurrency and you can also trade with more money than you actually have on your account. While with the spot grid you don't have those options. How does this trading actually work and what are actually the grids? Grids are lines or networks that you can put in which area you would like to buy coin and in which area you would like to sell coins. So as you could see in this example, we have a reference price, and if the price goes below the reference price, the robot will start buying for you. Lower it goes, it will buy more and more coins. When the price starts going up, the bot will start selling for you in order to take profits. As you could see here, there are different percentage, but don't get too much excited about this. First thing is that this percentage may be from a robot that is working for maybe few months or even years. Other thing is that this percentage in the past doesn't mean that it's gonna make the same percentage in the future. So you need to be very careful and to look very carefully if it makes sense to copy somebody else's trading system. If you decide to use any of these, you can click use parameter, set up if you wanna change something and start trading. Other option is to create your own strategy. This is how it looks like. First thing that you need to choose is between spot grid and futures grid. Let's go to the futures grid. Once the new window opens, you can choose between auto or manual settings. If you choose the auto settings, the platform will set up grids for you based on a technical analysis. Or you can choose manual settings where you can adjust all the parameters. Second thing that you need to choose is how many days you would like your trading bots to work. You can choose between 7, 30 and 180 days. And you can go between neutral, long and short. What does it mean? If you go to neutral, this is perfect when the markets are in consolidation. If you go long, you are participating that coin to goes up, and if you're going on short, it means that you're participating that coin to goes down. Based on how many grids you have, there is initial margin that you need to put. Less grids you have, less money you need to start your strategy working. If you go to manual, difference is that you can choose the lower price, upper price, and how many grids you would like to have. Also, you could see here arithmetics and geometric, and the difference between these is if the price is going to be shown in percentage or in numbers. Once you set up all these parameters, you can put your initial margin and you can start your trading bot. That will be it for this video. I hope that I helped you to learn something new. If I did, please consider giving us a like, share or subscribe. And also, there is a free ebook if you want to learn about crypto trading and crypto investing that you can find in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning